I am Muhammad Shahid Shafiq. Today we shall discuss about Sindh Child Marriage Restraint Act 2013. Question-answer format of presentation has been used. This presentation is followed by an assessment, whereby your knowledge will be assessed. Arranging a marriage of a child who is below the age of 18 would be good for the parent and the child or not? No, it would not be appropriate. It is a crime under the law passed by the government of Sindh. What is the name of the law? It is known as the Sindh Child Marriages Restraint Act, 2013. Why did the government introduce this law? This law has been introduced to restrain parents and other family members from arranging marriage of a child. Law has declared this act as crime. Which court deals cases under this law? Court of a judicial magistrate of first class hear and try this type of cases. How much is the punishment if someone contracts a child marriage? If a male above the age of 18 years of age contract a marriage of child shall be punished with rigorous imprisonment which may extend to 3 years but shall not be less than 2 years and shall be liable to fine. A man only facilitate any child marriage would be liable to punish or not? Whoever performs, conducts, directs, brings about or in any way facilitates any child marriage shall be punished with rigorous imprisonment which may extend to 3 years but shall not be less than 2 years and shall also be liable to fine. What would be the role of a court if an application is received that a child marriage is going to be arranged or is about to be solemnized? Court may issue an injunction prohibiting such marriage. However, no injunction shall be issued against any person unless the court has previously given notice to such person, and has afforded him an opportunity to show cause against the issue of the injunction. Is it mandatory for the court to issue notice before issuing injunction order? Court may dispense with notice if deemed necessary. What would be the response of a court if a person disobeyed such injunction knowing that an injunction has been issued against him? He shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 1 year or fine or with both. Are the offenses under this law bailable? No, the accused will be arrested, and police cannot release him. He must apply to the magistrate for bail and court may refuse bail. How much time is consumed to conclude the trial of the accused? Case should be disposed of within 90 days. Can parties compromise the case? No, it is non-compoundable offense. It means compromise cannot be effected between the parties.